Let's talk about the features and benefits of Philips CoreLine surface mounted. It offers up to 66% energy savings compared to conventional lighting, with an efficacy of 140 lumen watts. The luminaire comes in rectangular shape, offering two lengths. It offers up to 4300 lumen and comes in two color temperatures. Additionally, it presents the multi-lumen option. CoreLine surface mounted is flicker-free thanks to its LED driver, providing visual comfort and well-being. For low glare, you can choose the office-compliant versions. This range has two dimming options, daily and smart control. This means that it can be wireless connected to our smart lighting platform, Interact Pro. Emergency lighting versions are also available. CoreLine surface mounted features easy installation with pushing connectors. A suspension kit can be ordered for suspended installation. And as a plus, it has the INEC mark. Thanks for watching.